Hey guys, going to try and make a few of these videos to help you guys out and teach you a little bit about the game of football as we go through this quarantine time. Hope you guys are all doing well. The first one we're going to do is defensive techniques. If you'll kind of study these and understand the numbering terminology of what we're trying to do, it'll definitely help you out. The beginning we'll start with is defensive head-up techniques. These are going to be even numbers. Starting with the center, who is represented by a square. Right here you have a 0, which is a head-up technique. Defensive lineman that's head-up will be a 0. As we move to a guard, a head-up technique will be a 2. On the tackle, the head-up technique will be a 4. A tight end, the head-up technique will be a 6. And if there's a wing or an extra lineman outside, the head-up technique will be at 8. When we go to a linebacker position, we simply add a 0. So a head-up technique on a center will be a double alt or a double 0. A head-up technique on a guard will be a 20. A tackle will be a 40. On a tight end will be a 60. And on a wing will be an 80. Moving to an outside shade, those are going to be odd numbers. An outside shade on a center will be a 1. We will also refer to it as a shade. An outside technique on a guard will be a 3. An outside shade on a tackle will be a 5. And an outside shade on a tight end will be a 9. So you skip a 7, and I'll explain that in just a few minutes. When we move to a linebacker depth, you simply again add a 0. So an outside shade at linebacker depth on a center will be a 10. On a guard will be a 30. On a tackle will be a 50. And on a tight end will be a 90. When we go to an inside shade, okay, for the most part, you simply add an I. So for an interior defensive lineman, you're going to have to worry about being lined up on guards or tackles. So an inside shade on a guard will be a 2I. An inside shade on a tackle will be a 4I. And then we will move to an inside technique on a tight end. Defensive ends and linebackers will have to know this one. It is a 7. When you move to linebacker depth, again, you simply add a 0. On a guard, at linebacker depth will be a 20I. A tackle on a linebacker depth inside shade will be a 40I. And one little mistake right here, it's actually not a 70I, but if you're an inside shade of a tight end, you would call that a 70. When you're looking at these guys, for the most part, your nose and tackle will not have to worry about anything that attaches to a tight end. So interior defensive linemen, nose guards, and tackles, you need to be focused on the odd numbers, the even numbers 0, 2, 4. All right, you will need to understand the outside shade techniques of a shade or a 1, a 3, and a 5. When you talk about inside shade techniques, you would need to worry about a 20I or a 2I, and a 4I. That'll be the interior defensive lineman techniques that you'll have to learn. I hope this helps you guys out. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me at any point.